What is up, everybody? Welcome to the beginner jump rope workout. This is just a 5-minute workout because when you're starting out, it can be difficult to jump rope for longer periods of time. So we're starting out with just 30-second intervals, which is actually going to be challenging for beginners. I know it was for me when I first started out. So if you can't make it the full 30 seconds, just make it as far as you can. If you're dealing with trip-ups, just get restarted as quickly as possible. There are 3 things that I want you to focus on during this workout, and that is 1, jump low and land softly. We want to stay on the balls of our feet and eliminate a lot of impact by just jumping 1 to 2 inches off the ground. 2, we want to maintain good form and technique. This is keeping our hands down around hip level with our elbows pointed backwards, and we're rotating the rope with our wrists, not our arms. And 3, we want to keep the rope tempo slower. It's a common beginner mistake to start to go too fast and you're going to outpace your feet, which then creates a lot of trip ups and a lot of frustration. So go at a pace that you can maintain as close to the full 30 seconds as you can. Other than that, grab your rope and let's get into the workout. If you are dealing with a lot of trip-ups, check out my Start Here playlist. It covers all the basics of jump rope so you can get up and rolling as fast as possible with the least amount of frustration. I will see you in the next video.